Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to fix Instagram music not available. First of all, you need to open the Instagram app. Once you get into your Instagram account, head over to your story panel from the top left corner. Record a video or capture a photo to work with. After recording a video or taking a photo, tap on the stickers icon from the top bar. And here's where it gets interesting. See the music toggle? That's great. Your country and region support it. But if not, don't worry, we've got a solution. So let's discuss how to fix this problem if the music is not available. First of all, you need to access a VPN. To do this, jump over to your app store, whether you're Android or iPhone, and search for any VPN. There are plenty of free options available. For instance, we're going to download VPN Proxy Limited Shield. After installing it, tap to open a VPN app, navigate through the ads, there might be a few, and then connect the server in a country that supports the music toggle. You can usually do this by selecting a location within the VPN app, or you can choose the Auto Optimal option from here. Once you're connected with a VPN, go back to your Instagram app. You may want to delete the story you were working on. Better yet, exit Instagram and then return to it. Swipe over to your story again, click on your story, take a photo or video, then navigate to the sticker icon from the top bar. And here you go, the music toggle should now be there. You might notice it changing based on your location. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.